What is the source and what is the cause of our universe and all creation? Tantra cosmology, explained by Sri Sri Ananda Murti, deals with these 5 questions. 1. Who creates the universe? 2. What is the substance of creation? 3. What is the creative force involved in creation? 4. How does the creative force create? 5. Why the universe was created? Comparable to a sculptor who carves wood to create many shapes and forms, the following questions arise. Who is the sculptor? What material does he use? What skill does he need? How does he carve? Why does he carve? Causa prima, or the first cause of creation, is called Brahma in Tantra cosmology. Brahma, or the supreme entity, is composed of 2 parts: his body of consciousness, or Shiva, and his energy, or Shakti. The body of Shiva and energy of Shakti are very abstract, beyond matter and mind. These forms of God and goddesses are only symbols to help human beings conceptualize. Energy, Shakti, has 3 types. First, subtle energy is called Sattvam. Second, crude energy or Rajas. Third, very crude energy or Tamas. In the beginning, consciousness of Shiva is like the limitless ocean of stillness. Energy of Shakti is like the wind on the peaceful ocean. Due to the influence of 3 energies of Shakti on Shiva, partially 3 kinds of cosmic minds are formed. Phase 1, the subtle energy of Sattvam starts to agitate the peaceful Shiva. As the result, some parts of pure consciousness awaken from slumber and start to feel that he exists. He becomes cosmic mind, who feels his identity, that I exist. This state is called Mahat. Phase 2. The dynamic energy of Rajas is active. She moves the wave of Mahat to be more active. As a result, some parts of Mahat start to feel the desire to act. This cosmic mind who feels I do is called Aham or ego. Phase 3. The crude energy of Tamas is active. She moves the wave of Aham to become very crude. As a result, some parts of Aham gradually become the result of his own action. This result or objectified aham is called chitta. Chitta is also called mind stuff as a result of the imagination of cosmic mind. Afterwards, the energy of tamas crudifies or solidifies chitta to become 5 elements, and they materialize as our universe. Hence, mind is made up of the subtle waves of Shiva due to the influence of the 3 forces of Shakti, and matter, which is very crude, is made up of the solid waves of Shiva under the stronger bondage of the 3rd force of Shakti. Our universe is the mental projection or imagination of cosmic mind. And is an interplay of Shiva and Shakti, or consciousness and energy. The cosmic universe is the expression of the dance between Shiva and his energy. Shiva and Shakti is called Brahma. Where the universe with all creation is sheltered, to answer the earlier questions, 1. The first cause of everything is Brahma, the supreme entity who is beginningless and endless. 2. The substance of creation is the body of Brahma, the limitless ocean of consciousness or Shiva. 3. The creative force is the cosmic energy inside the body of Shiva, which is called Shakti or Maya. Four. How this universe was created. Gradually, 3 forces of cosmic energy solidify the consciousness. In the beginning, Shiva is pure consciousness, absolute calmness. Phase 1, Sattvam, subtle energy is active. Shiva, pure consciousness, becomes crudified and becomes cosmic mind. Phase 2, Rajas, dynamic energy is active. And the mind gradually becomes crudified and creates ego and desires. Phase 3, Tamas, crude energy is active. And the mind gradually becomes solidified as a result of his action. And finally, becomes 5 components of matter. Five, why the universe was created. Due to the energy inside consciousness, according to her 3 inherent qualities, she expresses herself by crudifying Shiva, partially, thereby producing mind and matter. When the expression of Shakti reaches its climax, her binding forces then gradually weaken, while Shiva starts to withdraw parts of himself closer to become more and more subtle. So in these processes, the solid matter becomes mind, and mind gradually transforms back to consciousness. Back to the earlier analogy regarding the sculptor, all the questions asked are answered. For the second question, where does the material come from? A sculptor will get the wood from the forest or wood shop or from other places, but indefinite questions will follow. From where the shop or forest gets the wood and so on, in order to find the first source. Whereas in this philosophy, in his creation, the Supreme Brahma uses his own body of consciousness as the material of creation, and the creative force is his own energy residing in his body of consciousness. Both material cause and creative cause are parts of him, so there is no further question needed. Our cosmic universe exists and is created inside the Supreme Brahma. Nothing else exists outside him. The cycle of creation is a cosmic game between Brahma with his own self. He is the supreme magician who magically transforms part of himself to become the cosmos and the whole creation. I exist inside that Brahma, and I feel he is so near and dear to me.